Understanding everyday English. Who's on the swings? Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series, where we aim to break down everyday English phrases to help you understand and use them confidently. Today, we're diving into the phrase, "Who's on the swings?" This simple question might appear in conversations at parks or playgrounds, and understanding it can help you engage more naturally in English dialogues. The phrase, "Who's on the swings?" is a question that's formed by contracting who is to who's followed by on the swings. Here, on is a preposition that indicates location or position, and the swings refers to a specific play equipment found in playgrounds, designed for swinging. Key points to remember. Whose is a contraction of who is, often used in spoken English for simplicity and fluency. The use of on indicates someone is physically using or occupying the swings. The swings specifically points to the swing set in a playground context. When someone asks, "Who's on the swings?" they're inquiring about the identity of the person or people currently using the swings. This question can be asked for various reasons. To find out if someone specific, like their child or friend, is on the swings. To see if the swings are occupied or available. To join a conversation or interact with others at the playground. Contextual clues. The question is often asked in settings where swings are present, like parks or playgrounds. Body language and tone of voice can indicate if the asker is simply curious, looking for someone, or intending to use the swings themselves. Knowing how to respond to "Who's on the swings?" is just as important as understanding it. Your response could vary based on the situation. If you know who is on the swings, you can mention their relation to you. "My brother is on the swings," or describe them if their identity is unknown to the asker. "A little girl in a red hat is on the swings." If the swings are empty, you can simply say, "No one's on the swings right now." Practice makes perfect. Try to observe and describe people using specific details like clothing or actions to practice responding to such questions. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "Who's on the swings?" Understanding and using this phrase can help you navigate social interactions in playgrounds and parks more effectively. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations will enhance your fluency and confidence in English. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!